Good morning. Good morning. How is everybody? How are you? Good morning. Oh my gosh, hi. How are you? Oh, you're so cute. Good morning. Hello. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh my goodness, let's go have some, let's go get Lakey some breakfast. Oh my gosh. Hi. Is your mama so noisy? Is she so noisy? Oh my gosh. She makes so much noises. Oh, Keiko, what's that? Where am I supposed to sit now? Hi. Oh gosh, you're so cute. How are you? Do you need a hug? I know I didn't give you your morning hug. I know. I don't know. I guess I'll sit here by your litter box. What do you think about that? Yeah. Look, do you want to try this really tasty snack? What's up? No, I'm not all right, Mama. Ooh, suctioned on there. That's good. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. Oh no, Mommy, feed your food. Ooh. Hi. How are you? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Maybe so cute. Like Mama's eating your snacks. Oh, it's very tasty. Look, it's pretty tasty. Hi. Like this one, here we can eat that one over there. All right. Excellent. Oh, I'm being attacked. Let's get the... Oh, this one's not working. Are you guys having trouble with chat refreshing? Maybe it's just me. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. We had our first vacuum last night. Oh my gosh, it was very exciting. Oh, you are very, very happy. Oh, Keiko, what happened? Yeah, I was on Firefox. Now I'm on Chrome. If they don't start eating food in the next week or so, I'll try them on a syringe maybe. I'm not like in a super hurry since they have a mom and there's only 2 of them, so it's not like a huge strain for her. And they're growing, obviously, which reminds me that I should weigh them, but the scale is so far away. I'll go get, oh, bonk. Look at that scampering. So much scampering. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh, Keiko. Hi, Mama. Oh. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh, she's made her escape. Hi. You're so handsome. Oh, hover kitten. Hover kitten. Oh. What, Mama? Oh, it's been 5 days since I weighed you. I bet you've grown a lot. Oh my gosh. You can't attack the scale or I can't get an accurate weight. Let's go with 675 for Felix. That's pretty good. Hi, that's 23.8 ounces. Oh my gosh, you're a big boy. You're a big boy. What's up, Mama? She's having the litter box low. And Keiko is also attacking the scale. 602, we'll say, up from 541 on Saturday, I think it was. So let's see, that's oh, you're so cute. Drinking some water. Whoa. Did you run into that food and you didn't know what to do with it? So Keiko 21.2 ounces, Felix 23.8. The goal is 1 kilogram, which is 2.2 pounds. And of course they have to be at least 8 weeks old before spays and neuters. Oh, you're so cute. Where are you going? Where are you going? You got a nice drink? Yeah, so x-rays tomorrow. And we'll see. Hi, Mama. Come here. Come and get your eye drops. We'll see what. We're going to see Dr. Henderson on Friday. Dr. Henderson herself has a Bengal cat that a client was desperate to find a new home for. And so Dr. Henderson ended up taking this Bengal, and she said that it has ruined her life, but she says it with love. Right? Hi, Mama. Should we do, let's do eye drops. Let's do it. Ooh. But she will be the first to tell you that you should know what you're getting into. Although these guys, personality-wise, are very, very sweet. There's no overstimulation or petting aggression or anything like that, which can be an issue sometimes. So personality-wise, I'm not worried about these guys. But oh, there's some poop on your bum. But oh, it's stinky. Maybe we need to give you some Fortiflora. But hi Keiko. Activity level and scampiness wise, I know I told Dr. F, I was like, Dr. H is gonna have to adopt. I was like, it's so great, we already have a home for all three with Dr. H. She thought that was pretty funny. Pretty funny, but she will meet them for the first time on Friday. They did extremely well with the vacuum yesterday. They were scared at first, and then by like the third or fourth time I did it, they were pretty much taking it in stride. So I was impressed. Felicity was a little more nervous. Not to be unexpected though. What do you think? Oh, I just got pounced on. Oh, look at there's a pounce in progress. Adorable. So we'll be checking, I'm sure you guys can see sometimes, it was pretty obvious yesterday. Keiko's got her rib cage is flatter than normal. You can feel there's a ridge here, you can feel. And you can sometimes see that her breathing looks different. But she's thriving, she's growing, and her gums are nice and pink, and that's what we want. We don't want pale gums, but pink gums are a sign of proper oxygenation happening. So as long as she's growing and she's active and she's oxygenating herself appropriately, then I think that there's nothing to worry about. But we're just going to oh, that was a good pounce. But I want to just check that out, and also check out their tracheas. Both had those little bends in them when we took their teeny tiny baby x-rays, and so I just want to see how that has developed, because as the specialist said, it was, quote, weird. But I think that there are not a lot of teeny tiny kitten x-rays of tracheas done, so, you know, a lot of the weird things we see, I think, are things that people just haven't seen before. So we don't know. We don't really know. Oh, did you pee in the bed? That's okay. That's pretty normal at this age. You are very cute. I could put the litter box up there, but there are definitely little tracks in. Oh, look, a poop! There you go, buddy. We're having a Felix poop. Look, watch your brother. This is what you do when you have to pee or poop. Good boy. See, Mama? Now don't distract him. He's doing a good job. Here, let's just watch. Good job, buddy. No, good job. Keiko, that's not helping. He's fine. Keiko's encouraging him. No, buddy. I'm going to help him bury it. It's okay, Mama. You're gonna just bath him right into the poop. Good job, buddy. Good job. That is a good looking poop. I'm very proud of you. Now, Mama, hey Mama, now you can help. This is your department next. Good job. A little cleanup. Oh, now she's there. Good job, Mama. Oh, now you've got it. Oh gosh, now you've got it on your face. Did you get it? We all got poop on us now. Oh, thank you. She's bathing my hand. Good job. Good job, everybody. I lost the toilet paper. Good job, buddy. Are you done? You're not done yet? You just, you know, you don't want to interfere with what's happening now because this means less work for you. It means less work for you. I know. You don't have to eat smushy food to poop. In fact, that poop looked like it was milk bar poop. The color changes and the consistency changes when they start eating solid food. And that's usually when Mom stops pottying them. And usually when they start getting the urge to go. So, oh, I think he's done now. He's trying to outrun it. Oh, no, he's still not sure if he's done. It's okay, Mama. Oh, there's the paper towel, toilet paper. I think I'll put another litter box there so they have options. Now look, someone's got a little poop mustache. Uh-oh, a little poop mustache. Oh no, it's a little bit embarrassing. There you go, yeah, you need a little chaser after that. They are getting a little big to have Mom do all the pottying for them. I don't know if he's quite done yet. He might have to pee too. She's helping him. Very dramatic. Oh, that was he is allowing himself to be clean now. Good job, Mama. You're such a good mama. Yeah, I think Livestream has made some changes that are not helpful for any of us. I'm getting the black screen and chat not working and stuff. Try a different browser if you're having issues. You can, and the direct link is tinykittens.com/Felicity. So if you go to tinykittens.com/Felicity, it should go straight here. Otherwise, you can try tinykittens.com/live, which will take you to our live stream page, and then you can click the event from there. But I think they're really pushing to have us switch to the new format. So yeah, so try a different browser. I'm not sure about phones and iPads. Oh, you gonna have a little milk bar? Yeah, it's a perfect spot for some milk bar. Oh, you're so cute. Good, you're such a good mama. You're such a good mama. Okay, I'm gonna put all your toys back in here after I cleaned. Yeah, it's working okay in Chrome for me and Safari for me, but not Firefox on Mac. Oh, look, the milk bar. Yes, you need a little comfort milk bar after such a dramatic poop. They'll be 5 weeks old on Saturday, if you can believe it. Time, where does the time go? Oh my goodness. So the timing will be interesting because Starling, if she has about 30 days to go, and these guys have about 4 weeks to go, we should be having kittens during adoption time, or close to it. I wonder if I switch to the new format if it would work better for everyone. Should we try it? Should we try it? Let's see, I'm going to switch to the new format. Let's see if it fixes everyone's problems. And then I'll switch back because I know everyone's going to be full. You guys will have new format angst just like Felix had poop angst. Like, see? No. Let's just try it. Let's just try it. It'll just be for a minute. Okay, ready? Here we go. So you'll have to, if you don't if you don't refresh, then you won't see the new one. But if you're having trouble, refresh the page and see if it works. Because you got old, like at some point, we're not going to have a choice about this, and we're going to have to switch. So. And if you don't like the reverse chat, make sure you send them feedback. I think the new one is a more space efficient design, so you get bigger video. But it definitely takes some getting used to. If they were smart, they would have changed the chat order in the existing design, let people get used to that, and then transition to this. Yeah, the new one's also faster, seems to work better all around. Yeah, see it now, it fixed some people's problems. So we're gonna have to get used to this at some point, everybody. I think once I switch, it switches for all the events, so Starling Cam is probably switched now too. Let me see if it works on Firefox. Whoops, that's Felicity. Yeah, yep, so Starling is on the new format too now. I wonder what VIP looks like. I should check that out. I probably have to make some changes there too.
Oh, VIP still is the old format. That's interesting. Unless I need to refresh again. That's interesting. So VIP is still an old format. So there you go. We'll try it out. But you guys definitely send your feedback to live stream. You have to go to like for me, I have a button that says feedback on the upper left right above the video, but I don't know if you all have that. But you can go to, if you click on in the upper right your avatar profile picture, you'll get a little menu and there's a help button there, and you can click that and you just have to submit feedback through the regular site. So go leave them feedback. Let them know what you think. Yeah, I mean, I think ultimately they are definitely switching. So, but if you want, and they seem pretty committed to the chat scrolling the different way. So change, whoa. Oh, like there are no avatars anymore, are there? Well, see, there you go. It's a lot different. Yeah, so if you, oh yeah, see, I don't, oh, there it is. Oh, they are. I'm not seeing avatar. Maybe I don't have my thing wide enough. Oh, there we go. I see. If you make your browser wider, then the avatars show up, or the profile pictures. But if you have it, I have my window narrow so that I can see what's showing on the cameras. Anywho, leave feedback. If you're having any issues, leave feedback for them. Whoop. Oh, yeah. So, there you go. You have to go to find the help button. You have to go click on your profile picture in the upper right hand corner of the page, and you'll get a menu that says Dashboard, Settings, Analytics, Help. Click the Help button, and then you can submit feedback there. Did you fall asleep while you were having a snack? Let's see if I can turn this off. Then maybe I can make a video because this is very adorable. Is she going to get up and scamper away? Probably. Felix is out. Asleep at the milk bar. Very clean. Good job, Mama. Is Keiko asleep too?
Maybe she is. Oh my gosh. Adorable. He looks exhausted. Oh, your eyes running. Should we do your... Oh, he's waking up now. Should we check your ear? Should we check your ear? Oh, she's a good mama. Oh no, this one's still connected. I'm just gonna check her ear real quick. They're so exhausted, aren't they? Oh, she's a good girl. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, she's so cute. Look how cute she is. Is it time to go? Look, I need to take a picture. It's time for me to take a picture. Out the food bowl. Oh, so cute. Adorable. Let's take a video. Oh no, where are you going? But where are you going? You're just gonna take a video. I'll take a picture of you. Relax. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at your brother. Everybody's gonna bath Felix. He must be dirty. Are you gonna come see me? Okay. Okay. Hi. So cute. Alright, your sister can come too. My lap's not very accommodating right now. Oh, 11 o'clock. Alright. So, I'm going to go see Starling next. Let's see what she's doing right now. She's in her nest. Oh, you're so cute. Why are you so cute? When did you get so cute? When did you get so cute? Hmm? Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. When did you get so cute? Look at that one long whisker that survived. You're one survivor. Good job. Here, if you're gonna play, you have to play with something appropriate. No, Jesus. Where's your sister going? She's a little exploring. She's got some exploring to do. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's time for a little bit of basket time. So we got Starling's, one of Starling's tests back. Sent several things out. We got her CBC, which is a blood blood panel, and it looks pretty good. She has borderline anemia, which is not surprising considering she's pregnant and has parasites, or had parasites, but we're fixing that problem as expeditiously as possible. No inflammation, which is good, so we're still waiting on cardiac enzymes and taurine, which will take a while. She was negative for feline leukemia and FIV, which is great. What's going on down there? Should I take a video? Ooh, whoops. Ooh. What are you doing? Hi. So anywho, alright, so if you're on the new format and you don't like something, make sure you send feedback. It seems to have fixed some people's problems. Oh, hi. I'll leave it this way for a bit. The links are, you have to click on, at the top above chat, there are those icons. There's a heart and the arrow and the eye with the circle around it. That's about where it's got the info. I don't know where the links have gone, and I don't know why that we don't need the map there. That's not actually where we're located. That's just the center of the closest city to us. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's unfortunate if we can't have the links anywhere. So if you want to leave some feedback and ask where the links, because I know that we use those a lot. Maybe we can put links in the about section, but I'm not sure.
I already told them that I don't need a map there, but I do need links. But that didn't make much of an impression. Clearly. Hi. Unless maybe there are new admin options on the new format, so I'll check that out. But anywho. All right, I'm gonna go get Starling her breakfast. We all had a breakfast in here. Oh, Mama, take that out so you can play with your little balls. And well, hello there. This. Feeling, look at you feeling. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, I need to put your air back on. Warm one today. Oh, I better do it. Okay, well, I'll leave the reset for a little bit. Alright.